Similar to Lufthansa, Swiss has two clubs in the E-Concourse. One is for gold, which we are, and the other is for business class. Gorgeous lounge. So many different magazines. Here they even have a cooking station. Oh great, they've got some muesli. Really, really beautiful club. Of course, they've got the showers and the relaxation areas, umpty million coffee spots. Sure. What a great place to stand for plane spotters. Air Canada, United, Swissair, Thai, Etihad. It is a gorgeous day. I sure hate to leave. They certainly have enough whiskeys on offer. I feel like I'm back in Scotland.